guys, welcome to Get Set Go with me, Lavin. So today's video is all about my workspace tour, that is my office desk tour. Like this is the place where I spend almost my complete day, and this is my second favorite place in my room, where the first is of course my bed, but I miss it a lot nowadays. Actually, this video was shot way back just to give an idea for those who were working from home, and I just thought that this video might help them, but due to some critical reason I couldn't upload it, but I feel that it still might be helpful for anyone. If so, I'll be very glad. Alright, let's dive in straight away into the video. So here I would like to divide into three portions. The first portion is my table, so other one is wall portion, and the last one is below the table. So coming to the table, I'm starting off with my laptop, where I use it for almost everything in a day, like storing, content planning, editing, creating content, almost everything. So moving on to the right wall corner of the table, I have placed my daily planning essentials like planner, tracker, journals, etc. This is pen holder, where I also keep some marker, highlighter, pencil, a pair of scissors and stuffs like that. So let me just show you something funny, weird yet useful. So just look at this. This is double-sided tape and another packing tape, so I have just used the space efficiently, that's it. So now moving on to this red tray, I have placed all the stationery stuffs, so let me explain each and everything. So this is sketches, color pencil, crayon, tape. So moving on to the small cute white ball, I have placed some different types of glue, hotspot, pen drives and unused eraser. And in this tiny yellow tray, I've placed some eraser and pencil toppers. This is small stapler or staple machine, some extra staple pins, and this is punching machine. Again, there's different types of tapes. Big stapling machine, tiny tape cutter. Moving on to this black organizer, I have placed some paper clips, file tag, rubber bands and some ball pens. So these are blue and black marker rings. Again, different types of glues. And these are notice board pins. I use it for my DIY notice board. As you can see, I have used it almost. So I'm done with the red tray. So this blue box is like info box / boring box / doubt box. Like if you want a detailed video on this, do mention below. This is my spectacle box, and on the very left side of the table, I have placed two mobiles which I use almost every second. It's my water bottle to keep myself hydrated. I've just placed it right here because I really tend to forget to drink water if I don't really see it. So now moving on to the wall portion, here I have just hung some hands-free or headset and a mic with the help of a wall hook. Right above that is my DIY notice board. This was made by me back in 2018 if I'm not wrong. Do let me know if you wanna see its DIY. It also works as my vision board. To be honest, it really motivates me. You can maximum see acronyms here cause I don't wanna reveal what it's completely, which even I tend to forget. So I maintain a separate book for it. So this is a DIY wall decor which says go blind with your heart. So I just uploaded this DIY in my previous video. You can have a look over it by clicking here or can check the description for the links. And these are charging cables, that's it. Moving on to the left top corner, there is a quote of the day written on the DIY laminated sheet. So I just got it done in the digital print shop, just placing the white paper in between the lamination sheet, and there you go. And just stuck it with the help of double-sided tape, that's it. And I do post such motivational quote on my Instagram handle, do check it out. So just below that, there is another DIY laminated sheet, which again I got it done in the digital shop, same as above, except placing the white sheet in between. And I use this for my to-do list or things to be done on the daily basis. That's everyday's task. So I just use double-sided tape to stick it. So this is the chair that I use. I feel very comfy with this and its color is quite apt for my table. Just below that, I have placed a footrest. Again, its color is quite apt for the table and chair, so that you can give a rest to your foot, which is essential for me. And this is how the desk look with the tablecloth. And this is the final look of my workspace. And now my workspace is completely updated. Do mention below if you want an updated workspace tour. So yep, that's it guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting really motivational quotes over there. So you can check out the description for the links. I hope this was helpful. With this, I'll wind up. I'm Lavanya. Thanks for watching. Bye.